Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. You don't need to stress about complicated grammar rules. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times. That's the best way to improve your English while learning about fascinating parts of the United States. Today, we're traveling into the heart of America to explore the Midwest. What makes it different from the rest of the U.S.? The Midwest is often called America's heartland, and it plays a special role in the identity and culture of the country. First, let's talk geography. The Midwest includes 12 states like Illinois, Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and others. It's located between the East Coast and the Rocky Mountains, covering large flatlands, rich farmlands, and important industrial cities. The Midwest is famous for its agriculture. It produces a huge amount of corn, wheat, soybeans, and dairy products. That's why it's often called the breadbasket of America. The farms in the Midwest help feed not just the United States, but many other parts of the world too. Now, let's talk about culture. Midwesterners are known for their friendly, hardworking, and polite attitude. People often refer to it as Midwestern nice. Life in the Midwest is usually slower and more community-focused compared to the fast-paced lifestyle of the East and West Coasts. The Midwest also has some major cities like Chicago, Detroit, and Minneapolis, which are centers of business, music, sports, and innovation. Chicago, for example, is famous for its skyscrapers, blues music, deep dish pizza, and passionate sports fans. When it comes to weather, the Midwest is known for its extremes. Summers can be hot and humid, while winters are cold, snowy, and long. Tornadoes are also common in some parts, especially in an area known as Tornado Alley. Politically, the Midwest is very influential. States like Ohio are considered swing states, meaning they can vote either Democratic or Republican in presidential elections, making them crucial in deciding the outcome. In short, the Midwest is the beating heart of America, famous for its agriculture, strong values, resilient spirit, and rich contributions to American history, culture, and economy. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed discovering what makes the Midwest so unique, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's a fantastic opportunity to review and practice what you've learned. Please like and share this video to help us continue growing and creating better and better content. See you in the next adventure.